Hey, my name is Nick Stores. I'm in ELRC 3500, Section 2, and I'm just going to be going over some of the fun assignments and projects that we were able to complete over the past semester and how we tied it into Padlet, which allowed us to organize all the assignments that we had and kind of just give a brief description about them and just give you easily accessible links to them so you could view them all at the same time. Basically, starting off with the biography, I think that was biography and the name tent was the best way to kind of understand each other and kind of be able to put a face to a name. I think the easiest way to understand somebody and kind of get to know them is learning something a little bit about them and putting a face to a name, which was what the name tent and biography was able to do for us. Some activities that I loved doing was the bookmarking sites. I think that was extremely beneficial as, I think it's always good to be able to have a shortcut to some of your favorite websites, and that's what it allowed us to do. The travel brochure was great. I think it's useful that we can use that in the future, whether it be with a future job or just kind of informing somebody with a favorite place that you like to go. I think it's always good to be able to summarize stuff and put it into a brochure with images, and it'll allow people to understand the idea a little bit better. I think the most fun thing was the COVID movie. I think the COVID movie was fun to watch just because you didn't know what a lot of people did during quarantine, and to kind of get an insight on what other people did, including you sharing your own story, was fun. And I think was the funnest thing that we did all semester. Especially, I think it's beneficial to learn how to use iMovie. You can always use that in the future. And then the blogger aspect of things was also fun. I think creating your own blog is definitely useful. I mean, especially with technology nowadays and blogging and everything, I think that's kind of the direction that everything's going in. So to be able to understand how to do that is extremely beneficial. And that's about it. I really enjoyed this past semester. I think the assignments and tools that we learned how to use will definitely help later in life. Thank you.